Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So getting right into the beginners friendly makeup, I am using the concealer from Juvia's Place in number 12, and I'm using this as a base for my eyes. I'm just going ahead and blending that out. Then I go on top with the Airspun face loose powder to set my lid so that I don't have too much creasing. Today I'll be using the Warrior palette by Juvia's, and I'm taking Kano, and this is the only shade that I'll be using, and I'll be applying that all over my lid. I first pat that in and then I start blending it out. So this is great as a beginner. You can use any neutral color that you have on your lid and just blend. As I said, that's the only color we'll be using today. So next up, I'm going in with my liner. This is a liner slash lash glue. So I'm just going to go ahead and create some small wings, and then I go with my mascara and I will prep my lashes. So the lashes that I'm wearing today are from my Instagram business page, Fabulous Collections by Terry, and today I'm wearing the style Fabulous. You guys can go ahead and check that out and purchase if you like it, okay? So that's it for the eyes, guys. Now we're on to the face. I'll be priming my face first. You can use any drugstore primer that you have. Today I was using the Matifying primer from Black Up. And now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm adding on my concealer first. So all the parts of my face that I will be highlighting, that's my cheek, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. So today's concealer is from Juvia's Place. It's the same one that I used to base my lids, which is in number 12. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. Then I'll go in with a darker concealer that is next to my skin tone, and this is from Juvia's Place and it's in number 7. I'm just outlining the outer parts of the lighter concealer so that it will be easier for me to blend. Then I just go in with a small brush and I will merge both colors together so that can help me to blend as well. And once I merge those two colors together, I leave this concealer on my face to set for a while, about 10 minutes or so. And then I go ahead and blend out afterwards. Okay, so I was just enjoying some tunes while I waited for it to dry down, and once the concealer is dried down, guys, I started blending with my damp sponge and leaving your concealer on to dry for a while. This helps with full coverage on your face, so you don't have to use a lot of product, and the concealer won't be shifting all over the place once you do this. So that's a great tip for beginners as well if you want like a full coverage look. Now for my foundation, I'll be using the Loreal Inflammable foundation, and my shade is in 515. I'm just going to go ahead and dot that on my face, and then I'll go ahead and blend it out with my sponge. I realized that dotting the foundation on my face, I use less foundation and it blends out super easily. Ensuring that you're blending up towards your hairline and under your neck as well, so that you don't look too ghostly, okay? And you want to ensure that you're blending everything out. So here I'm going in with a small brush to the side of my nose, and once you're all blended, I'm going to go in with my Airspun face loose powder to set my highlights. First, I ensure that there are no creasing going on under my eyes, and then I go in with my powder and I press that into my skin. I do not leave it on top to bake or anything. I just press it into my skin and I pat, blend until all the powder eventually like dissolves into my skin. And I also added some to my smile line area because I do crease right there whenever I smile. And once that is done, I go with my face powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Powder in 355 Coconut. That's what I use to set the rest of my face. I wanted a little more yellow under my eyes, so I went in with the Juvia Spray setting powder called Kalari. You guys don't have to do this step. I just wanted to add some more color to my face, so I went ahead and I add that in, and I did the same thing, pressing that powder in my face, and then I dust off the excess. Now I'm just gonna bronze up my face with a Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in 360. It's a tad bit darker than my complexion. I don't want to go overboard with like contouring. Basically, I'm just bronzing my face, so all the high points of my cheeks and forehead and the sides of my nose, I use this shade to add some color. So next I'm going in with More Me, and this is a beautiful golden silverish looking shadow that I use to my inner tear duct area and under my brows. I wanted there to pop, guys. And then I set my face with my face mist. I went back in with More Me, and I'm adding that as my highlight today on my nose only, and I blend that out. And then onto the lower part of my lash line, I used Kano once more, just to kind of like merge both colors together. Once that's down, onto the lips, I'm going in with a dark brown pencil as usual to outline my lips, and this is from Maybelline. It's called Expert Wear, and it's in the shade brownish black. Next up, I'll be using some lippies from Tarte Cosmetics, and I went ahead and I used the color called Novel. This is a Tarteist lip paint, so I went ahead and I blend that. And then I went on top with the Juvia Splay's lip gloss called Pretty Betty. Real nice, beautiful lip gloss. And I just blend those two colors together, and I got that look. Very natural looking, nice. So this is the end result, guys. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.